Hi guys, welcome back for another removal video. Here I have a Fiat Panda from 2015. I will remove the rear door panel, the front one will be the same. In order to remove the door panel, you will need a bit, hexagonal head, number 5 and a plastic removal tool. This panel has just 2 screws and clips. Pull the door handle, put your fingers under and pop up this trim. You will have a Torx there. You'll have another cover here. Take a microfiber cloth. Now there are just clips holding the panel. Slide it upward and it will come along with the swiper. And that's it guys, this is your door panel. Thank you for watching, see you next time. Bye bye.